ದಿನಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಪದ. Today's word of the day is awe. Awe. The word awe means an overwhelming feeling of wonder or admiration. In Kannada, it means ಅದ್ಭುತ ಅಥವಾ ಮೆಚ್ಚುಗೆಯ ಅಗಾಧ ಭಾವನೆ. Now let's take some examples. I've always looked at musicians in awe. ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸಂಗೀತಗಾರರನ್ನು ವಿಸ್ಮಯದಿಂದ ನೋಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. Children looked at the giraffe in awe at the zoo. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮೃಗಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಿರಾಫೆಯನ್ನು ವಿಸ್ಮಯದಿಂದ ನೋಡಿದರು. Some of the synonyms of the word awe are wonderment, astonishment, admiration, and veneration. The word awe has inspired some words, for example, like awesome, awestruck, and awe-inspiring. I hope you like today's word. Keep learning and keep sharing. Thank you.